Hey, I'm back with another tutorial. If you're digging this look, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned. So now I'm starting off with her brows. I'm just brushing them. Now I'm taking my Morphe pencil. You could buy them from Ulta or you could buy them from their website, Morphe.com. They sell for $5. I'm using the shade Java. Next, I am taking my MAC concealer and I am cleaning up underneath her brows, and then you will see me bring it down to the eyelid, and then I'm smoothing it out with my brush. I am about to do the same thing on the other eye. You don't want to put too much concealer on the eye. Now I'm taking my Juvias Place palette. I'm putting that medium brown shade on her lid. I will add the products down below in the description. I'm using tapping and swirl motions. Want to blend out those edges. I'm taking that dark brown shade and I'm putting that underneath my medium shade. You want to make sure you do both sides. Now I am using my P. Louise base to cut her crease. Now the thing about this, you want to make sure that you take your time. Do not rush through this process. So I'm trying to make sure I got that crease sharp. Trying to make sure I cut it real good. Once you have your crease the way you want it, you're going to take that product down and cover up the rest of her lid. Now I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Remember, take your time. Grabbing some more product so I can make that crease sharper. Now I'm adding my shimmer. It's a silver shimmer I'm adding. Now I'm tapping glue on her eyelids. And I'm adding the gold glitter. It's mixed with fine glitter and chunks. So on the front, I got the pigment, and in the back, I have the glitter. The other side. All right, and that's how it looks. Just adding a little bit more shimmer to it. Just a little bit more shimmer. Have to do the same on the other eye. Now I am adding my eyeliner. I'm using the NYX eyeliner. I added my mascara. Next, of course, is lashes, my favorite part. You know I love my lashes. All right, we got both lashes on. All right, let's moisturize, prep, prime. Let's get this started, honey. All right, we got her foundation on. I mixed her foundations. I used 2 different colors on her. Now I'm warming up her skin. Doing my highlight. Concealer, adding my concealer. Blend that in. Then I'm going to set it with some powder. I don't use too much powder. Then you want to blend that. Adding her lip color. I decided to go for a nude lip. And this is the final look. Make sure you all like and subscribe to my channel. See you all next time. Bye.